There we are. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So yeah, let me show you how we're gonna sort out this. There's like an auto service place out there. Hey,
I'll be back.
there is an auto service. Oh, what's up? Thank you. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Will do.
Have a good night.
Jungle Harry, my YouTube channel. Check it out on YouTube. All right.
What's your name?
Jungle Harry. John. Here. Jungle Harry.
Jungle.
Yeah, Jungle, and then Harry like Harry Potter. There you go.
Right?
Yeah, thank you. Alright, so yeah, there's a Midas right there. It just does not look to be open. Some guys, and out of all this excitement, I forgot about my gloves. Yeah, basically well, I was hoping, my optimistic side was hoping that it's gonna be super warm, but you still feel the chill a little bit. Yeah, see, this is what I'm working here with, guys. This snapped off of that, so I don't mind it hanging there, but you see, oh, there you go. That was easy enough. So yeah, like, that's the only part that I wanted to get off. So here, let's donate it right here to this pile of rubbish and tile. Yeah, the little oil lube that we had, you know, the other bottle that we got at the, I don't know what happened to it. It must have fallen out somewhere. Yeah, my chain is greasy. But yeah, guys, it must have fallen out somewhere yesterday. Or maybe I cleverly put it in one of my maybe I cleverly put it in one of my slippers, but I didn't. No. So yeah, guys, let's consider that other bottle a lost cause. There we go. So yeah, telling us to come out this way. As we came in, and then this way. Right into the wind. Oh yeah, guys, I can see why they're saying, because I'm going like single layer today, guys. I can see why they're saying it feels like 35 in the wind. Okay, so we're gonna get on Towanda Road going towards Towanda. Just like that, with the wind. Okay. Some kind of an Italian joint here. Spaghetti house. La Gondola. Oh, like the gondola, like the boat in Venice. So it must be like a Venetian owned or something. Oh yeah guys, we're gonna stop at a gas station too. We'll definitely stop at a gas station. Get some thinner gloves today. Because yeah, these ones here make it really hard to control the steering wheel, guys. I'm almost like losing a handle on the handlebars just by going for the brake or going to shift up or down. First little hill. Gave us a little trouble. Now somehow yeah, this hill road. Yeah, this road here, guys.